So you can see right here in one of my affiliate dashboards, I've been able to generate over $30,000 and I still have money coming in every single week. Now, what I'm going to share with you inside this video is a totally free automated way you can get massive traffic to whatever affiliate link you want to promote without a website, without a following, and without even showing your face online. So if you're excited to learn this incredibly secret, powerful method, be sure to smash the like button right now to let me know. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive in right now. So the very first step is we need to find an affiliate product to promote. Now, one place you can go is Digistore24. They have a lot of different products in many different niches. Now, I will say that I'm going to include a link directly below to my #1 affiliate program to promote. It pays you instant 100% commissions. So if you want to check that out, I'll leave the link below, but I'm going to be using Digistore in this example. Okay. So you just want to go to Digistore if you're using that and you want to sign up for free if you don't have an account. Now, once you're inside, you want to go to the tab under Marketplace. Now, this is going to have all these different categories or niches of different products. Now, with this incredibly powerful method in this video, you can use any niche you want. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to go to personal development because I haven't really taught in that niche. Now, if you go there on Digistore, typically if you sort results by sales rank, that's going to show some of the best selling products at the top. And I found this product by 𝐏𝐨𝐩𝐿. It basically helps people manifest money. Okay, so that's the niche we're going to do in this video. Now you can see right here, the earnings is about $50 per sale, which is pretty good. Now, if you don't have the link on Digistore, you just click promote now and it will actually generate your affiliate link, and we can go ahead and copy that and add it to a notepad file because we're going to use this a little bit later inside of this video. Now, the next step is we want to actually shorten this affiliate link because if you just start promoting this link, it's a little bit unattractive and most people won't want to click on it. But if you go to a free site called tinyurl.com, and all the links are going to be in the description below for this method, you can go ahead and paste that in, hit make tinyurl, and it will automatically generate you a shortened link, which we can go ahead and copy. Now, if someone goes to that link, it will automatically redirect to the affiliate sales page. So let me go ahead and replace that there. And now we have our shortened link. Now, the next thing we want to do is we want to go to Google and you want to search a few words such as top 5 money affirmations, top 5 weight loss tips, whatever niche your product is in, you want to search top 5 and then followed by a few words. So top 5 ways to make money. Okay. So we're looking for tips, or in this case, affirmations that people would be searching that have to do with the product. Okay, so for this example, money affirmations. Now I found this article and we just want to open up an article that has at least 5. It can be more than 5, but 5 is a good amount for this specific method. And I can literally just copy the first 5 like that right there. Okay, now the next step is we want to add that to our notepad. So we're keeping everything very organized for this incredibly simple method. And the next step is we want to go to another site that's totally free called Pexels.com. Now, what you can do is you can actually find free photos that are copyright free that you can use with this method. Okay, so you want to search in a few words that have to do with your product or niche. Now, for this example, it has to do with manifestation, could be law of attraction, but I'm going to do meditation, okay, because that image will be, very similar to what we need. Okay, so you can see right here, they have all these pretty good images. Now, what we want to do is we want to download 5 images to our computer or smartphone wherever we're doing this. Okay, so you just want to get some good high quality images that kind of are related to your product. So like I said, this is about manifesting, so I can click download on that one. I can do this one's pretty good, this one right here. You just want to do 5. Okay, so let me go ahead and finish up right here. All right, so there we have it. So I went ahead and downloaded those 5 photos. Now we want to go to another free site called Canva.com. Okay, now if you don't have an account, you just want to create one, it's totally free. And once you're on here, we want to type in right here, we want to do mobile video, okay? And you want to actually click right there, okay? This is going to be the template and the format that we're going to use for this powerful method. Now you can choose a specific template. Now I'm just going to use this one right here, okay? So we just want to select whatever template you want. It really doesn't matter, but I'm going to select this one right here. And then what we want to do is we now want to actually upload those 5 photos. So go to uploads right here, and then we just want to click upload files. Okay, now once they're uploaded right here, we want to add 6 pages here. Okay, so go ahead and just add 6 more pages. We're not going to change this title page yet. I'll share with you in a second. So just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we have 6 different slides. Now for this first title, what we want to do is we want to actually remove that image right there, and you can look at just an element, or you can even just do a color. Okay, so for this example, we're just going to do a color, and it doesn't really matter. I can choose, that color right there. Now for the title, what we want to do is we want to actually remove that one, and we want to title this what we found right here. Okay, so see how I said top 5 money affirmations? If it was top 5 weight loss tips, that could be your title. But for this example, I'm going to do top 5 money affirmations. Now you can go ahead and change this up to make it fit. Okay, I can make that like this, and I can center it. Okay, so that's looking pretty good. Top 5 money affirmations. Okay, now if you actually want to change the font, you can go here and you can go ahead and play around with this. Okay, so you just want to make it fit just like that and center it. Okay, now once we do that, the next thing is we want to click on this next page. And what you want to do is you want to go to your uploads where you upload it, and just click that first image, and you want to drag it so it fills up the entire box right there, and you can center it just like that. Now what we want to do on this first image is we want to actually open up the first affirmation or the first tip. Okay, we want to copy that, and then what we want to do is we want to click text, and we want to add a text box just like that. We want to paste in the first piece of text, and you can go ahead and put it somewhere in the photo where it's visible. Now what you could also do to make it pop more is you can go to effects. I can go down and I can go background. Okay, just like that, and I can change to maybe red or blue. Okay, just like that. That's looking pretty darn good. Okay, so you are a money magnet. The next thing we want to do is go to the next slide, and you want to actually go to uploads, click the next photo, and you want to drag it, okay, just like that. Make sure it fills the entire thing. Go to text block, boom, next one, okay, like that. And again, you can go ahead and drag it. You can add the background just like this, okay, and that's looking pretty darn good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest with the rest of the affirmations, and I'll join you in a second. Okay, so I went ahead and created all those slides. The next step is we want to click on this last page, and we want to actually go to, okay, color like that, and then I can just click right here to add a title, and we just want to do a call to action. Now it's going to depend on what product you're promoting, but for this I can say discover the fastest way to manifest money, or the fastest way to lose weight, or the fastest way to, whatever it is you're doing. And then I can say click link in bio. Now this will all make sense as you keep watching, as I said, and then you just want to drag it to the middle, boom. So now what we want to do is to make this even better, what we can do is we can actually go ahead and add some music. So if I go to uploads and I go to audio, what we can do is we can actually upload some music. Now to find royalty-free music, you can go to the YouTube audio library. So they have all these different songs, and these are royalty free. So if I find one that I like, let's say this one, I can go ahead and download it right there to my computer or wherever I'm doing this method. Then I just want to go to upload files, and I want to upload that audio to this video. Okay, so it uploaded right there, and then I can just click that and it will automatically add, as you can see right here. And we want to make sure that it actually fills the entire video. So we can go ahead and just drag. Okay, so it's the full video like that. And now I can go ahead and play a little bit of this video so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so that's pretty darn good, right? In a matter of minutes, and you'll get this faster and faster as you do this more and more. And then of course, as it gets to the very end of the video, they'll see this call to action. Okay, so now once you're done, you just want to click share, and you just want to download to your device. Okay, so once it's downloaded to your device, you have some different options where you can actually post this and start getting free automated traffic and sales. One place is TikTok. Okay, so you can create a TikTok account around that niche, and you can go ahead and start posting these videos, and you can start getting traffic, views, and sales from TikTok. Another amazing place is Instagram. Okay, so you can go to Instagram and you can share those videos as reels, and some of them get quite a bit of views. As you can see, 5,000 views right there. Or you can create a niched YouTube channel like this one. you go ahead and post videos every single day, taking just a few minutes each day around that specific niche. Now, if you want to do YouTube, you want to actually go and upload the video after you've created the channel, and you can go ahead and select that video from your computer. Okay, so I've gone ahead and selected it. It's uploading right now. And what you want to do is you want to title it something. You can do the same title, Top 5 Money Affirmations. Now you can add a little bit of words after it to make it more clickbait, so people want to click it. Top 5 money affirmations you must use. And then you always want to add the hashtag shorts, because this is actually a YouTube short, and this will start ranking the hashtag shorts. Now for description, you want to actually go back here, go to your shortened affiliate link, and then put in, click here for my top way to manifest money, enter that right there, and then go down. And the cool thing you can do is you can actually go to tags. And what you can do is you can put in tags that other top videos are using. So what you can do is you can actually go to a tool called vidIQ. You can install this if you have a Google Chrome browser. And then what you can do is you can actually search a video. Let's say this one in the health and fitness niche. I can search this video, and you can see they have their affiliate link here. So they're actually doing this method, and I can see their video tags with vidIQ, and I can go ahead and copy their tags and literally just go back here, and I can paste in their exact tags. And I know they're working because this video was ranking very high for this keyword. So if I use similar tags, I'll probably rank as well. And then I can go ahead and start to generate tons of traffic and sales. Well, there we have it, my friend. I really hope you enjoyed learning this powerful, free, automated method. If you're not a subscriber yet, smash the subscribe button and the bell icon. I'm going to be posting more videos just like this every single week. And don't forget, click the first link below to join my #1 affiliate program. Pays you instant 100% commissions. And you can actually use this exact strategy to promote that, so you can receive daily commissions flooding into your bank account even while you're sleeping. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on my next training.